Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is your friends. In this video, we're going to look at what is JavaScript arrays and how to work with it. Let's see how we can implement it. As you can see, we have an index.js file in here. The console is on the right hand side. And what is arrays in server-side programming language? The arrays is a collection of objects with the same data type or different data types. In JavaScript, we don't have to consider about the data types because it's data type free. Any kind of data type value inside in the JavaScript arrays. So to create a JavaScript array, it's simple. A is our array. To create it, just put a square bracket. That's it. This is an empty JavaScript array. Let me resolve it. See, this is an empty JavaScript array. The length is 0. To find a length, simply you can find a length. It will show the length of an array. That's it. Use at the moment to assign the values at the moment of initialize. It's easy. Each and every JavaScript element should be separated by comma. I'm starting as A, B, C should be an element of an array A. So single quotes A. It should be separated by comma and B, comma, C. Now we have three elements in array A. When I save it, now we have three elements. In the console, we could see the values. Once I expand it, you could see each and every element and the length of the array. The length of the array is 3. If you notice, whatever the stuff you are seeing in the purple color, which are index position, which is the most important substance in a JavaScript arrays, we can specify or we can point out each element by its index positions. Normal in real time, we will use a numbering system which starts from 1, but arrays normally used to start from 0. No one knows why, so we have to follow. If the element in a position of 1, which consider as 0. So 0, 1, 2. The length is 3. The 0th position A, B, C. Now, how to get a particular element, which as I already said, to index will be used to fetch a particular element or work along with it. So if I want to fetch only the element of B, I can simply, A is an array. Inside the array, to specify index positions, put square bracket, and you can put index position inside the square bracket, which is 1. It gives me the element B. The same goes to 0. The same goes to 2 as well. If you are specifying anything which is not in the index position of an array, it will simply show an undefined because it cannot find the element in this particular array. As I already told you, it's data type free. Now we can simply insert any data type value. So it can be 1, it can be true, and it can be decimal, which is number, boolean, and decimal. When I console log it, it is also inside this array. It is also setting as with its index positions. So you can have the array inside an array as well. It can be a nested array. Instead of 0.2, if you provide another numeric array which is 1, 2, 3, once you log it, see you have 6 elements in the array A. The fifth index position has 2 elements in another array. Once you open that array, it has 0 and 1 index position. So each and every new array will consider the starting position as 0, not a continued position of the previous parent array. To fetch this particular array, if I want to log only the 3, what do we have to do? It's simple. Now we have to get this array element which is index 5. As I've already told you, I can set 5. Once I set 5, I can have the array of 2, 3. Now you can consider this as a whole array and you can provide another square bracket. The position is 1. You can simply get 3. This is how you can simply fetch the values from a nested arrays. If it has another nested arrays called 4, 5, once you log it, if it's 2, once you log it, it will have another array you have to do again to specify 0 to get another value. This is as simple as that. So how to insert a value inside an array, or how to update or remove the value inside an array. Before that, we can even have objects inside an array, zzz, to specify it. See, cannot read because 0th position nothing is there. If I say yay, once you log it, you can have an object which element of 5. The name is that. So inside square bracket, you can say 5, which takes an object. Now we can simply get a particular value from the object. Now we can see how to update one value from an array. As I already told you, index position are used to specify a single element. It's simple. Go, if I want to update the B as C, I can go the index position 1. I can provide C. I can simply delete it, save it. See, A, C, C. The B has been updated to C. To insert an element inside an array is pretty simple. What you have to do is, once you say array dot push, you can push any element. Where I can push D. Once you say D, the D will be pushed at the end of an array, which is a 5th index column. This is why. To delete it, there are several ways to remove a particular element in an array called pop, shift, splice, filter. There are many ways. The simple ways, once you say pop, it will eliminate the last index position's value. See, the true has been eliminated. Once you say shift, it will eliminate the first index position value, which is eliminated A. And the better way to use it, the splice one. The splice simply takes the start number index position and the delete count. For example, it should start deleting from position 0, which is A, and it should delete till C. So index position is 2. Once you say, it will show C1 true, not A and B. To delete a specific B alone, you have to specify that index position 1 and it should delete only 1. Once you save it, it has deleted only B. And to work with multiple functions arrays, once you say array dot in Visual Code, if you can see, there are several functions methods available to work with arrays that we can see in next awesome video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can comment me below. I have updated all the documents in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get my latest video updates. Thank you.